You're going to take your paper cups. These can be found at the dollar store. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your paper cup and you're going to take your toothpick and you're going to poke a hole right in the center. And you want to make sure that it will fit at least 3 toothpicks, and this is what's going to be the rock candy. So after you have your hole poked and you have your toothpicks in here, you can go ahead and take them out and put your paper cup aside. Now you're going to need your beads, and tri-beads look the best like rock candy, and what you're going to do is you're going to put them on your toothpick. So I would do about 5 or 6. So I made red, white, and blue rock candy. Now to make sure that they stay on your toothpick, you can push them up to the top and put just a little bit of hot glue there. Then once that's dry, you can put a little bit of hot glue on the bottom. So here's my American Girl doll rock candy. When I was putting hot glue on the top, I had to use a toothpick to hold the bead down. Now, this step is optional, but before you put the rock candy in your cake, you can go ahead and put some stickers on it. So here's the cake. I put little star stickers on it, and now you can put your rock candy in. And you are done. Now your American Girl dolls have a 4th of July rock candy cake. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you know whenever I upload a new video, and give me a like. Bye!